Welcome to Indlondlo Cultural Village, where heritage meets rhythm and tradition comes alive. Founded in 2010 by Msizeni Mngadi, Indlondlo Zulu dancers have grown a small group to a globally recognized cultural powerhouse. In 2018, we were granted a piece of land by Chief Mdluli to build Cultural Village, a home for heritage, a home for African culture. We have performed at prestigious events, from government ceremonies to live TV broadcasts, collaborating with South Africa's most iconic artists. We are more than performers. We are cultural educators, sharing the beauty of Zulu tradition with students, tourists, and visitors from across the world. When visitors arrive at Indlondlo Cultural Village, they step into the heart of Zulu tradition. From the very first step at the gate, they are welcomed through the customs of our ancestors. Every step inside is an immersive journey where they experience the richness of Zulu culture firsthand. From the traditional dance, authentic storytelling, and ancient customs, every moment deepens their understanding of our heritage. Here, culture is not just observed, it is lived, felt, and celebrated. Indlondlo is more than a performance, it's a legacy. Join us, experience the rhythm, and be part of the story.